In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine affiliate and influencer tracking in one dashboard. If you're tired of jumping between multiple tools to track performance, stick around because I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to bring everything into one place and make your tracking more efficient. First things first, the tool I'm going to show you today allows you to set up a unified dashboard for both your affiliate and influencer campaigns. This means you won't have to deal with multiple logins or messy spreadsheets. You can see everything in real time with just a few clicks. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at once. Now, let's dive into how to set this up. You'll start by connecting both your affiliate and influencer tracking accounts to the software. This can typically be done by integrating your affiliate networks and social platforms directly into the tool. Most tracking systems allow for seamless API connections, so there's no need to manually input any data. Once connected, you'll be able to monitor your affiliate and influencer performance side by side. You can track clicks, conversions, engagement rates, and more, all from the same dashboard. This eliminates the guesswork and helps you make data-driven decisions faster. Instead of jumping between platforms, you're getting one consolidated view of your entire marketing ecosystem. You'll also want to set up custom tracking links for your affiliates and influencers. This allows you to measure each campaign's performance more accurately. With the right tracking links in place, you can see which affiliate or influencer is driving the most conversions, helping you optimize future partnerships. But here's the game changer. Our software lets you create specific reports tailored to your business needs. You can segment your data based on influencers, affiliates, or even specific campaigns. This level of customization ensures that you're only focusing on the metrics that matter the most to you. No more wasting time trying to sift through irrelevant data. Once your campaigns are running, the software will give you real-time insights. It doesn't just track performance. It gives you actionable insights, letting you know if a campaign needs adjusting or if an influencer is falling short of expectations. This gives you the chance to optimize your campaigns while they're still active, saving you time and increasing your ROI. Now, I've tried all the most popular software for affiliate and influencer tracking, and I found this one to be the most efficient and reliable. Plus, as a special offer for my viewers, I have secured an exclusive free trial of this software, which you can grab in the description below. It's available only to those watching this video, so take advantage of it while you can. So, what's the key takeaway here? Combining your affiliate and influencer tracking into one dashboard streamlines your workflow, saves you time, and helps you make smarter decisions. The main steps are: connect your accounts, set up custom tracking links, and create tailored reports to monitor performance. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a great way to start combining your tracking in one place and take your campaigns to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.